So is Coach Jay suspended for the rest of the season? Yeah.
Get on it, son.
Get it! That's us.
Attack the ball, man. Defense.
The ball is retained by the Western Tornadoes by number 81, Robbie Watson.
But Jeff, next week on offensive practice, you just take those 4 backs and rep them in.
Read the ball.
We'll just put, we'll move what's the face back to the offensive
And I
line.
totally forgot about. I totally didn't even do nothing with that 18 sweep today.
Yep, and that's okay. Hey, listen, what's done is done. We knew what we were getting into with this.
There you go. There it is.
And the tackle was by number 22, Sir John Sims. Second down, Tornadoes.
Let's go, line up.
Playing offensive line.
Stay home week. Let's go, D-line.
Hey, guys, watch y'all stay on the sideline. Get the ball above y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go. Watch the ball. Trail, stay home. There it is. There it is, Sam. Okay. Let's go, sir.
Carried by number 13, Jack Toscano.
Third down, player. Stay smart. Bump out a little bit.
Third down, Tornadoes.
Let's go, Jeff. Stay home. There you go. There it is. Get there. There it is. Go way to box it up.
And that's a carry by number 12, Evan Thompson. Tackle by number 2, Zontrell Spencer. Fourth down, Tornadoes.
Don't wait on it. Watch the ball, fella. Don't wait. Don't wait some more. There you go.
Carried by number 53, Big Country for the Tornadoes.
Yes, sir.
Turnover on downs.
Come on.
Will be the first down for the Eagles on their 34.
LJ, we on offense. Trail, you on the ball, Trail. On the ball, Trail, you on the ball. Pick it up.
Eagles maintain possession. Second down.
Hold that ball. Hold it.
Run by number 12.
That was probably we had to do too, with the people that were in position to make tackles.
That run was by number 10, Shimon Montgomery. Thank you, Eagle parents.
Eagle up. Eagle up. Eagle up. Eagle up.
It's coming that way. Sweep that way. Sweep strong. Oh, yeah. Hey, that was a nice.
The tackle by number 13, Jack Toscano. 4th down for the Eagles.
Go! Hey, Fred, go on the line, Fred.
I don't care about that guy. He won't be in this league next year.
Punt! That's it,
Get away from him.
Let it go! Get away!
There's a punt by number 22, Sir John Sims. 1st down for the Tornadoes.
So you are Jeff, the kids that went Ironman today.
On
Very proud
Eagles
of
41.
Hey, we all right. Relax. Let's go, defense. Hey, relax. Talk to each other. Game time. Together, Josh. Let's go. Hey. Get back there, Rico. On this side. Right there. There you go. Right there. There you go. Yes, sir. Hey, you gotta fly.
There's a carry by number 10, Sherrod Carrington.
Same thing.
Tackle by number 22, Sir John Sims.
Come on, Trey.
2nd down, Tornadoes.
Let's go, Rico. Go. No, base. Don't sit nobody yet. No. Not yet. You can't say out loud, Fred. They can hear you. They don't know where James Jasper is. Hey, Trey, I got y'all. Not yet, Fred. They gonna come out there first. They're home. Stay home. There it is. Hey.
The flag on the play.
LJ. Most man go to his side. You try to that's his man. Hey, come here. Most man, some man. Back up. Line up, please.
Offsides for the Eagles.
Watch the ball. Stay home. That's your man, Gilbert. That's your man. Right there. Up the middle.
I was like a little bit of that today. You could have. Okay, got in it.
That's a 1st down for the Tornadoes.
Hey, y'all gotta fire off. Rico, get out. 3 points. Rico, get down. Get low. Hey, LJ. Hey, why y'all get in the gap? On the gap, get in it. Hey, go line, you gotta fire off. Go. Hey. On the gap, get in. Right there. And go. Get in. Get the ball. Yes, sir. There we go. LJ, go. Sit in there.
Blocking going on in that play.
Sit in there.
3rd down, Tornadoes.
Right down in there. All right, Rico. Hey. Rico. Tell Rico take his son of legs out. He's pushing the foul. Yeah. Sacrifice. Take his legs out.
Coach looking down at the 24.
Don't let him fall on you. In the gap. LJ Jeff, in the gap. Nice. You good, sir. Right there. Hey, sir. Left.
Rico, take your legs out.
Shut it
We're gonna get a uniform here now, man.
That's the end of the first quarter. West End Tornadoes 0, Richmond Eagles 0.
Terry don't know about these. They gonna take these and throw them at each other. See how he gonna push and get it, right? Hey, he said it ain't hurt.
My jank hurt too. My jank was hurt too.
Yeah, 10's up. Yeah, water right here. Yeah,
Hey, go run in my truck.
He can't hike the ball. He's too small. And he can hike the
I know they changed the ball.
Yeah, it's on. It's your game.
They ball.
Y'all put them on.
Let's go. Everybody in.
Look at the inside. It's the one with the blue tennis racket.
Hey, let's go. On three, baby, family. 1, 2, 3, family. Let's go, defense. Squad, let's go.
Let's go. They ain't got to wait on the racket.
Hey,
They doing it now, Ron.
yeah, back in the day. There's line back there.
They find no one.
That's a carry by number 10, Sherrod Carrington, with a tackle by number 8, Jasper Lewis. 4th down, Tornadoes. Turnover on downs. First down for the Eagles on their own 35. Flag on the play. First down for the Eagles. run by number 10, Shamon Montgomery, but there was a flag on the play.
Jasper, you can't say. Rick. Hey. Jasper, on top of this. Jasper, you can't see him with their face. You know. Oh, he did. Let's go. Get the huddle before you call it. Get the huddle.
First down for the Eagles.
Kick right. Hey, get over there. Let's go. Get it back. Let's go. There you go. Jack, you gotta load up the ball.
Incomplete pass.
Jack, you gotta run, man. Jack, you gotta run, baby. Pick your head up. Pick your head up. That's all you gotta say. Pick your head up, man.
Second down for the Eagles.
Fred, change the play. 43 round. 43 round. 43 round. Back up. Pick it up, Fred.
Recovered by the Eagles. Third down.
Hustle out. Let's go. Come on, hustle out the field. Hustle the ball. Get on the line, Cole. Get on the line. Get down, Cole.
Let's go, Eagles!
Let's go, boy. Let's go.
Carry by number 10, Shamon Montgomery.
Pull your glove. Move it into the glove. Come on, hustle to the ball.
Fourth down, Eagles.
Cole, get on the line, Cole. Move up. Hold on.
And it's like everybody plays fast. Like you just don't stomach that.
Combined effort of tackles, which included number 69, Tucker the Tank Reed.
Hey, Fred, you gotta catch those snaps.
On the ball, man. He's snapping it right to him.
Come here, Fred. Fred, you good? Cole!
Turnover on downs, first downs for the Tornadoes. Timeout, Eagles.
Hey, Cole, you gonna need the man. Everybody in! Everybody in now! Get up, focus! We're a team! A team! 12 of y'all, man. Alright? We good? Stay here. We family. Back each other up. Alright? One, two, three. Keep it! Let's go, man. Keep your hands up, man. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Hey, get y'all hands in the game. In the gap, there you go. Country, move on. There you go. Straight up. Hey, Jeff, get 3 points stand. Yeah, do it now. They got to get in the gap. In the gap. Rico.
Second down, Tornadoes.
Get out, lad. Rico. Yeah. Rico, Chandra.
Third down, Tornadoes. Flag on the play, carried by number 13, Jack Toscano, tackled by number 10, Simone Montgomery. Penalty is against the Eagles.
Good call, Ralph. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. When the ball moves, let's go.
Get in there, y'all. Take that ball from him.
There you go. There you go, Fred.
There you go.
Every time. Same thing. When the ball goes, you go. Every time.
Fourth down for the Tornadoes.
Hey, Shamar. Watch the ball. Watch the ball, Eagle. Rico, watch the ball. Hey, 3-point stand. Hey, Rico.
Get down!
Watch the ball. Back up, Rico. Rico, back up. Hey,
Get down! Shut him down!
watch him, Vontae.
Watch the
Here
field.
you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Carried by number 12, Evan Thompson, and tackled by number 8, Jasper Lewis. Turnover on downs.
Let's go, Fred. Let's put some on the ball, baby.
First down for the Eagles on their own 40.
Fred,
And that's a touchdown for the Eagles, carried by number 3, Devontae Weiss.
Look, I'm running what I wanted to go in the field, right? Because he caught it. I was like, oh, shit.
Oh my God! Every time you
Flag on the play.
Hey, they was there. They was hold it. Hey, Trent. Trent, Mike. Hey, Devontae, go on that side.
Penalty against the Eagles for a block in the back. Timeout, Tornadoes.
Get some more.
Coaches for 11, for the 12, for these out places.
Take 10 to replace 1.
They don't take no 10 to replace one.
Take 10 to replace 1. Take 10 to replace 1.
Oh my goodness.
Man, that's why you in timeout. You heard Tutu.
And the teachers up there.
This how I'm gonna be all in the month of July.
I need one to bring one.
I got you.
I pay you for it. I just can't sign them.
I'm gonna be in St. Louis and West Virginia in July. This was that small. Oh yeah. It was. It would be too hot out here. We were across the water.
I can't find the door. It's over, Johnson. Go! Go, Fred! Go, Fred!
Conversion is no good. Tackle by number 98, Sean DeBomb Ferris, and with Big Country, number 53. Richmond Eagles 6, Weston Tornadoes 0.
Hey, sir, remember what I told you, right? Hey, over this way. Coach, I said, one of them go. Hey, Mike, that's my football field right there, man.
Tell it you go ahead. Tell it you go.
And that's a return by number 19, Aiden Little Spittler.
Let's go!
First down, Tornadoes.
Let's go, Cole! Let's go, baby! Get in there, Cole! Come on, come on! Okay, Cole! Get up, get up! Get up! Get low next time, baby! Hey, put Cole on his knees!
Second down, Tornadoes.
Brenda. How you doing?
Hey, Cole, protect yourself! No, that's safe. Stay low with him, Cole! Right there, Cole. Stay low. Get low with him, Cole. And talk to him if you want to. You can talk to him. You can talk to him, Cole. There it is, quarterback. He's down. Take your knees up. Yeah. Knock him on down, baby. There you go. Yeah. There we go, baby. Found a weak spot. There it is. Time out. Water. Get the water. Hey. Hey, Monte. Hey, go.
Third down, Tornadoes.
We good, man. We good. All right? On three, defense. 1, 2, 3. Defense! We good. We good. Let's go. There you go, Cole. Fred. Where's Fred at? Hey, relax, Fred. Hey, have a seat. Get a seat. I got you. There it is. Get that.
A pass to number 12, Evan Thompson.
No. Great. Fred, you gotta go to the Hold it up, y'all. Hey, Rico. Hold it up. Fred.
Let's hear it for number 10, Simon Montgomery. Timeout, Tornadoes. Carried by number 12, Evan Thompson. Tackled by number 22, Sir John Sims. Timeout, Eagles.
Hey, what you telling me?
Robbie, hey.
All y'all can come on. Okay? All y'all come on.
Bonte. That's it. That's it. Respect Bonte now. Y'all respect him now. There you go. There you go. Hold on to him.
It's an interception by number 13, Jack Toscano. First down for the Tornadoes. And that's the first half. The Richmond Eagles 6, the Weston Tornadoes 0.